Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write best essay on my father. 10 lines on my father. First, my father name is Ajay. Next line. He is my hero and my role model. Next line. My father is my big supporter and my best friend. Next line. He is my protector and keeps me safe from harm. Next line. He teaches me important life lesson. Next line. He is hardworking and honest person. Next line. He is a great person and takes care of our family. Next line. He has sacrificed a lot for our family and I am grateful for him. Next line. I am so lucky to have an amazing father. Next line. I love my father very much. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more latest videos.